We'll guide you through how to use Prettier in VS Code, which is a great tool for formatting your code consistently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once you have it open, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on your keyboard. In the search box, type Prettier and then click on Prettier, Code Formatter, from the list of results. Click the Install button to add it to your VS Code. After installation, you need to configure Prettier to format your code automatically. Go to the File menu, select Preferences, and then Settings. In the search bar at the top of the Settings panel, type Format on Save, and make sure the checkbox is checked. This ensures that your files are automatically formatted every time you save them. Next, you should specify Prettier as your default formatter. In the Settings panel, type Default Formatter in the search bar, and from the drop-down menu, select Prettier, Code Formatter. This makes sure Prettier is used to format your code instead of any other formatter. Now you're all set to use Prettier. To test it out, open a code file that you want to format. Make some changes, and then save the file. You should see that Prettier automatically formats your code according to its default rules. If you want to customize the formatting rules, you can create a file named Prettier in your project's root directory and add your preferred settings in JSON format. For example, you can specify tab width, single quotes, or trailing commas. Prettier will then use these settings to format your code. And that's it. You've successfully set up Prettier in VS Code to keep your code looking neat and consistent. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.